This is Jeff's request of Boatshed, Norfolk, and we're currently out looking at the Aquafibre Lowliner 38, and she's a lovely boat, really good condition, GRP. The top side decks are the only thing that's painted by the look of it, and windows are all very good condition, lots of light, got a coach roof and an extremely large upper helm area with sunbed at the back, and one of the only lowliners I've ever seen with a full canopy. Moving down the port side to the foredecks, and this would be the coach roof to the forward cabin, which you can see on the photographs and on the other video, which is quite large. Around to the foredeck. Owing to the way it's actually moored, which you can see over there is the river, and can't get a view from this side of the other side. So there she is. Lovely boat, very clean. The GRP is in really good condition. Screens drop down, so your air height is reduced even more. And there you have it. If you need to know any more about this boat, then please go to www.boatshednorfolk.com, and thanks for watching.